Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, you will need a few essential tools for this repair: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure to have these tools handy before starting. First, ensure that your Dyson V11 is completely turned off and unplugged. Safety is crucial, so take a moment to double-check that there is no remaining charge in the battery. Next, locate the screws on the underside of the vacuum cleaner where the ring and cover are attached. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. There are typically 4 screws to take out, so keep them in a small container to prevent losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the cover away from the body of the vacuum. If you encounter any resistance, check for any remaining screws that might not have been removed yet. It's important to work slowly to avoid damaging any components. Now, with the cover off, take the opportunity to clean the internal components of your Dyson V11. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This step is crucial for maintaining the efficiency of your vacuum. If you're unsure about how to clean your device, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can be a great option if you're not comfortable doing it yourself. After cleaning, it's time to replace the ring. Position the new ring in place and ensure it fits snugly. Again, check for any obstructions that might prevent a proper fit. Once it's in place, you can proceed to reattach the cover. Align the cover with the body of the vacuum and press it down gently until you hear a click. This indicates that it is securely in place. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you previously removed. Make sure they are tightened adequately, but avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the screws. If you find yourself without the necessary tools to perform this replacement, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service ensures that you can get your Dyson repaired without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient solution. Once all screws are in place and tightened, give the cover a gentle tug to ensure it's secure. Now, you can plug in your Dyson V11 and turn it on to test if everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our team is here to help you get your vacuum back in top shape. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the ring and cover on your Dyson V11. Regular maintenance like this can prolong the life of your vacuum and keep it running efficiently. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide has been helpful for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.